Pardess, how you doing? This is Adrian. This is a reply to the question you submitted to me for one of my assignments for our class this summer. It was specifically, what does a virtual lab look like? So what I did with Kinesiology 214 last term, and this is what I actually wrote the content for our course, I would have the students, and we went through the course, we alphabetically broke down the body into different parts. Uh, Arms, back, chest, core, legs, shoulders, kind of like the gross motor type activities. And within each body part, I would have the students work in the lab, fitness center, and I would have them work with each other, and then I would have them do a virtual lab, which was to evaluate a video that I had shot, and then answer a series of questions below. So, for example, in here, please evaluate the video, blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Here's this middle-aged guy trying to get strong in the gym. He's doing a lat pull down. Boom, 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 boom. And from there, I would have a series of questions below. Upper body, lower body, single joint, multi-joint, what's the primary muscle group, plane of movement, all things that we went over in the class. And then I would ask the students to find ways to come up with alternatives for the exercise to either, in our parlance, to progress or regress. So how would you make the exercise more challenging? What different modalities would you use to make it more challenging? Or if perhaps you had somebody come in who was prehab rehab, instead of doing a selectorized piece of equipment, what other piece of equipment could you use to regress that person to an appropriate work level? All right, hope that answers your question and hope you're doing well. Catch you later. Bye.